Personal. Very important. What's up, guys? Today I am installing my brand new personal wheel in this, my nice 1993 Cappuccino. So real quick here, it's kind of nice because the personal box looks like a pizza box. A lot of people are just like, oh, that's not a pizza box. You're like, no, it's not. But it does have some cool years that personal wheels were used to, you know, win Formula One, which is cool. I have already opened this, but let's go ahead and get that. Grab the horn button. Okay. So this is a personal Neo Eagle. It's supposed to be, I think, a 350 mil, but black leather, blue stitching. I'm going for a bit of color scheme that's away from what I'd normally do. I'd normally always do black and red, but because the car's silver, I'm gonna do some black and blue. So we're gonna put this guy into the car. Okay, so when I picked this car up, it already came with a aftermarket hub and wheel. This is a, I don't know how to necessarily pronounce this if you want to get in close with it. It's like an Italy Olanti. Like, I don't know if that's a V or a Y, but Imola R. I know nothing about this wheel. I tried to do a bit of research, found nothing super specific, but I think it's pretty cool looking. The only problem is you can tell it's been in here a long time. The leather's faded. You have some of the red stitching coming off, which is not fun. So I wanted to replace it to have a nice wheel. If any of you guys know anything about this particular company and or wheel, please feel free to let me know, because I don't know. Okay. Ah. Okay, this is just a backing plate. I'm probably going to need this for, there we go, wheel. So I'll just set this there for the moment. This is a nice wheel. You know? It's just...
And some cleaning up and refreshing and...
Well, you know, like I said, some of the leather on it is a bit like, it's very faded.
Yeah.
And the stitching you can see is coming up and like, you know, I don't know if anyone... I don't know if there's people that redo steering wheels. I'm sure there are, but like, I have no idea.
Yeah.
You know? Nice.
Oh my goodness.
And there we go.
The tiniest horn in the world.
Oh yeah. But there we go. Now I have my nice personal wheel in. I think it looks great. So, nice blue stitching, leather, cute personal button. Still does the beepy beeps, you know. So, that's gonna do it for this. I'm gonna climb out of this tiny, tiny car. So yeah, that's gonna do it for putting a personal wheel in my Cappuccino. We're gonna be doing a couple other fun Cappuccino related things today, but that'll be for another video. So, you know, leave us a comment down below. Tell us what you thought of the video, if you like the personal wheel, if you don't like it, if you're a Momo person, especially if you followed Formula One, Nardi personal versus Momo, you know, let us know. That's all good. But make sure to, you know, comment, subscribe, like, do all the fun stuff, and we'll see you guys in the next video. We appreciate you.